Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. It's a new start of the week, and don't forget please to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So this start of the week, it has already started a very intense, right? So as we said, this week is gonna be very important to clarify much more the movement of Bitcoin for the next weeks. So we see so far there is some signals here. Of course, we were waiting for a 1-2-1-2. However, this did not continue towards the upside. If we are here 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, it is very possible, but I see that this is very sharp, right? And we are so close to even get the middle. So I don't see it as this 1-2. I see it now as differently as 1-2. I'm gonna consider this an extended impulse here. It could be extended. So I'm gonna consider it, all of it, as 1-2, and this make it even a better structure for us for the counting anyway. So 1-2 here, and then possibly another 1-2, right? Looking for the fit of wave 2, the perfect box for the wave 2, and then moving up towards a wave 3, and then 4 and a 5, possibly. So of course this is your bullish scenario where we are still looking for higher. If you are bullish, guys, so this is your bullish scenario where you have double 1-2 and still looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. In your bearish scenario, you are A, B, and a C, where you have clearly here a kind of diagonal, extended diagonal, or extended impulse. It can be possibly. However, I don't want to really get involved in the counting of this wave. Is already look impulsive. This is what we need. So we're looking here for correction, and we look here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So for a wave C. So perfectly for it looks like a perfect zigzag, to be honest. However, the only thing that's still opening the question mark is that it did not hit yet the 1-to-1 fib level. Taken, of course, from the start to the end here of the A, and then to the bottom of this B, giving us the extension to 64,350 almost. So we did not reach this one yet. Okay, so if we did not reach it, it can be, of course, but it's not really nice to see a wave C for a zigzag not reaching at least the 1-to-1, right? Therefore, it gives a little bit much more possibilities that this is not a zigzag, and it could be a 1-2-1-2. And we're looking then for higher prices. However, if we see more impulsive here, more impulsive price, where we can see on the 15-minute chart, definitely this is a 1, A, B, C for wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now finished, it already finished this leg here. So if that is a possible zigzag, right? Yes, which we have almost finished on the 1 fib level. If we see continuation, that will transform into an impulse, guys, right? It is much more possible that it is impulse. If we see higher prices from here on the 15-minute chart, that means this was a correction, and then we are looking for continuation towards the upside. And that means, of course, on the 1-hour chart that you already have a 1-2-1-2 here. Okay, so that was it for the 1-hour chart. Now, if we go back to the 4-hour chart, in case that we see lower prices, just to remind you guys, in case we see lower prices, that means we are in a bearish scenario, of course, and you are looking for a 1-2 and possibly 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. Okay, massive wave 3 towards the downside. Very, very possible, right? To finish, of course, in that case, you finish an ABC here, right? 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. And yeah, so in the middle here, you have also your flat, let's see, this is your, yes, exactly, your running flat. And then you have ABC as a zigzag. So this is how your WXY will finish. WXY, just to remind you guys, that this wave towards the downside that we might get, it might finish a WXY. And then move up towards the upside again. In case that we are bullish, right, in case we see higher prices, that means, of course, we are already in 1, 2 here, and then another 1, 2 possibly, or another 1, 2, 1, 2, okay, and then 3, 4, 5. Now, of course, we need to be impulsive. Remember, this is a wave 3/3, so we need to be very, very impulsive and to have like really fast momentum, right, towards the upside. Yeah, so these are the scenarios. The last scenario for the bullish, we have, of course, 2 bullish scenarios here. Is, of course, the flat, where we have A, B, and a C here, and you have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and 5 waves up for an expanding flat. This expanding flat can be, of course, a diagonal. The only way that it can be is a diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So one more wave 5 towards the upside would finish, of course, as this diagonal. Yeah, and by all means that it can be still bullish, of course. Alright guys, so that's it for the daily analysis for today for Bitcoin. So we're gonna see in the intraday next what's gonna happen in this area here. And by the way, here we got the confirmation that it might be much more impulsive, guys. Yeah, we see further prices going over the 1-to-1. Okay. All right, so that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.